In this video, we're going to take a look at the Slurpit system requirements and our new benchmark tool. So in order to make sure you run Slurpit smoothly on your system, we've developed a benchmark tool which tells you your hardware resources and whether that's enough to run Slurpit or not. And in order to access that, you go to our website, you go to resources, find a knowledge base from there, scroll down, click on system requirements. From here, you can see the hardware requirements. You will see minimum, recommended, and enterprise configurations and requirements. And that's all well and good, but I'm going to take a look at the benchmark tool and this command here. So I will copy that and go to my terminal and see from there. So in order to run this tool, you should already have an Slurpit instance running. I already have, and I'm just going to paste this command, and it will run the necessary tests for me against my instance and tells me whether I have enough resources or not. There we go. The benchmark results are back. It tells me how much RAM I have, CPU, and else. It even tells me whether I'm sitting at minimum, enterprise, or recommended configurations. So let's take a look at RAM or memory. I'm sitting at minimum. So memory is important for the warehouse service because it is going to store indexes for faster data retrieval. The next one is CPU. We have CPU performance, cores, and logical processors. CPU and RAM are important for multiprocessing. The more CPU and RAM we have, the faster and more efficient we can collect and store data. It is also configurable in our Docker Compose file. The parameters are scanner underscore pool size and scraper underscore pool size. And these two services use CPU for data processing. We have disk read IOPS and disk write IOPS, and we have also total disk space. Hard disk is also important for the warehouse service because that's where we store our NoSQL data in MongoDB. We also have MongoDB version 7 compatibility. Keep in mind that we are currently supporting older versions, but if your CPU is AVX and AVX2 capable, it is also capable of running MongoDB version 7 and above. And it is recommended for you to have a CPU with AVX and AVX2 support because in the future, we will move towards MongoDB version 7 or later.